right, maybe you've got dinner covered but still need some last-minute gifts. You're in good company, as NBC 10's Martha Constantinides tells us in Warwick.
This is peak holiday mode. Last-minute grocery and liquor store shoppers are flooding the stores in hopes of checking off every last item on their list. But things are moving fast.
The lines can be super long, but it's Christmas Eve, so you have to expect that.
Known as the busiest shopping day of the year, Christmas Eve shoppers are frantically looking for forgotten and last-minute items to not only fill the tree, but the dinner table.
Oh, well, we're doing some last-minute Christmas shopping, not only for presents, but also for the food.
Even with the crowds, many look forward to this yearly tradition.
You see like all the people who had the same thought process as you all in one area where they're like, maybe we shouldn't do this next year, but everyone knows they're going to do it next year.
But some are less than excited. Do you like coming out on Christmas Eve?
No. Every day it's busy, but just trying to get it done now so we don't have to deal with it later on.
Long lines didn't keep shoppers away, though, grabbing gifts, food, and of course liquor to put on the dinner table.
Getting the Prosecco for the Christmas Eve party, and I got to buy my Mega Millions or Powerball.
7 days, it's been quite busy. The last 3 days have been insane.
But the lines don't end at the register, they spill out into traffic as well.
I've been driving for 45 minutes today, and I'm just coming from East Providence.
Today has been okay, but I was in this area yesterday, and it took me 30 minutes to get out of this parking lot.
Lines or not, shoppers tell us they're just happy to be able to spend the holidays with their loved ones.
We play lots of games. It gets a little crazy, but it's a lot of fun.
Merry Christmas.
Shoppers told us the key today is to stay flexible. If you're out there last-minute shopping, make sure to double-check holiday hours, as some places will be closing early. In Warwick, Martha Constantinides, NBC 10 News.